Hi everyone, it's Lee from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2023 Volkswagen Golf Style. Now of course this is the 1.4 litre plug-in hybrid, and you do get front parking sensors, full LED headlights and daytime running lights. You've then also got these brilliant 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get on these alloys. Around to the rear now, we've also got rear parking sensors. And then of course, coming inside the tailgate, we have plenty of room inside of here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which fold flat with the boot floor. Both your charge cables are in this little bag here. And then coming back out and around, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back now, we've got full cloth interior with your, part Alcantara. You've then got full electric windows all around as well. Into the front, we've got your DSG gearbox in the middle here. And then coming up top, as you can see, you've got Bluetooth hands-free. You've got your various radio bands just here. Various media sources. You then get App Connect, which enables Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And last but not least, we have your satellite navigation. Now over to the steering wheel, you've got your adaptive cruise control just to the top on the left hand side. Just below you have your audio volume. Over on the right you have your track select and all your onboard computer controls. As you can see, this Golf has done 17,236 miles. But coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Volkswagen Golf, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.